Hi friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi Tutorials. Today in this video, we'll see how to calculate running difference in a column. We have a column here. So we want to calculate the difference between two rows. 34 minus 12 should be displayed against 34 and 16 minus 34 should be displayed against 16. Like that running difference we'll calculate. For that, let us first we'll add index column from 0. Okay, then we'll go to advanced editor. Then I have a readily available code M language. So I will add a XYZ column with this. So each added index, each row I am taking index value minus index minus 1 value I am subtracting. Okay. So each row it will take this value, and this is the previous row value. Okay guys, so each row minus previous row will be subtracted and the result will be given. Okay, so here as for M language we have to copy this to here. Okay guys, then let's see. Yeah, so here we got the difference: 34 minus 12, 22, 16 minus 34 minus 18, 32 minus 16, 16. But here we don't have index for this thing. We have 12 here, but there is no previous index. That's why we are getting error. So we can replace this error with a 0 value. Okay, replace errors with a 0 value. Okay, sorry, first we have to select this column, then replace errors with the 0 value. Okay, then we'll get 0 here and we'll get the proper result here. Okay, then after that, if you don't want this index, you can remove this. Okay, so like this you can calculate the running difference between the two rows of a column. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorial for more Power Query DAX videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.